Hey guys, so I know I haven't been recording for a while. I've just been really busy. But soon we're about to get spring break. So I bought the Karina Garcia School DIY slime book. And today we're going to do two different types of slime. We're going to do a, so like these are Karina's brand new slimes. We're going to do a coffee slime. So I know you can't really see it. It's backwards. It's the first one. And we are going to do flubber soap slime if we can get it succeed. So let's get started. So actually first we're going to go on to the coffee slime. So let's go to the coffee slime. Alright, here we go. Alright, so it's pretty much just like basic slime. It's just colored brown. And I'm pretty sure, I think it was, I forgot. It was like, I think it was red and green that made brown. But I don't know, so we're just going to give it a test. So here we're going to use this, or let's use this, or this. I have so many bowls here, guys, sorry. This, test bowl. So let's use, I'm pretty sure it was green and red. Oh, that's a lot. Green and red. Yeah, I think it was green and red. And we're going to add water to it and see if it turns into brown. Alright, here I got the water, so let's mix. Oh no, this is a hot mess. Sorry. I need a spoon. A spoon. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's brown. Alright, I think we got it. Alright, let's mix a little more. I see some more food coloring in the bottom. Yeah, I think that's brown. It's just hard to tell this water. Yeah, I think that's brown, guys. Don't you think that's brown? Kind of purple, so I'm worried. Okay, let's add, how much was it? Oh, it said you could use, PVA glue or 04. See if I have it right here. No, I don't. Alright, let's go. Just add a random amount. I just really, eyeball it. Right? I need that. And I'm going to use this cup, even though it's going to be way too small. And let's add the color and see what happens. Whee! Oh no, it looks so red. It looks like pink. Oh no. It's going to be so bad. Okay, let's mix and see what happens. Yep, it turned into pink, guys. Oh no. It turned into pink. I think we need more green. Just to become like a hot mess, guys. Why are you pink? Oh god, I added so much green. Did you see how much green I added? Hopefully it works now. Oh no, it's too green now. Oh god, this is crazy. Send help. Stop it. Get some help. Okay, this is like a brown, but it's just really dark brown. And it's more of a green though, so I'm going to add just a tiny bit more of pink. Okay, just pour it down. This has become a hot mess, guys. I just can't get the color. How did she get the color so well? Okay, this is disgusting. It looks more like green tea. Do I have anything brown here? No, I don't. Okay. What if we mixed in yellow? This is going to become crazy, guys. I can't mix in blue because everything's going to turn purple. Yellow doesn't do anything, does it? Wait a minute. I think, whoa. Did you see that? I think I'm just going to add a little more green because I think the green's helping more. So, be back when I finally get the color. Okay guys, so I didn't get quite the color, but it will just do. That's the color. It's really green. It's just like a dark green. And I've been trying to add more pink, but it just doesn't work because it's too liquidy. What if I add pink by itself? Oops, I spilled. Okay. What happens? 2 drops. Not enough. 3 drops. Okay, this is a legit hot mess. I don't even think if we could get to the no glue flubber slime, but I think we're gonna have to make a different video for that. Alright, let's mix this up. I think I added a lot more pink. I added, whoa! Yes, yes, yes! Yes, finally. I got it. I got it. Don't judge. Look, look. Ugh. Just magnet. I got the color, guys. Oh, now it's at the activator. Okay, right here. I need a measuring cup. Oh no. Okay, I added the baking soda off camera. And then lotion. I have so much lotion, guys. Don't I add too much or it's gonna be too liquidy? Me. Smells so good. Okay. Mix, mix, mix. It's chunky. I see the lotion. It keeps popping up. Okay. Okay. It just started squirting down. I'm so happy with my brown. Looks like a caramel brown, actually. Okay. Let's mix. Woo. Oh, I should have done this in the coffee mug. Don't you think, guys? Alright, I need more baking soda. Okay, I need to buy more baking soda. So yeah. I'm gonna buy more baking soda at grocery outlet, Bargain Market. The cornstarch only $1 there. Unbelievable, right? So crazy. Alright guys, the slime's starting to form slowly and slowly. What the? It's just really sticky still, so just keep mixing, just keep mixing. Oh, I missed the bowl. Just keep mixing, just keep mixing. Woohoo, it's still sticky. Be back when the slime is done. Yow! Alright, the slime looks like it's done, but we're gonna keep mixing. I know, look at that face. I was about to sneeze, guys, sorry. That was the most cringiest face you've ever seen. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna need this slime since we don't have enough time. So, be right back when it's all done. Guys, this is also kind of jiggly because remember the water we added with the, I spill all the time. With the, pink that I attempt to do with purple. Yeah. That made it jiggly and really, really nice and smooth. And let's put it in the coffee cup, even though it's too small. Yep, it's a lot more smaller than you think. Hey, coffee! Let me just make it look big. What is big? That is thin. Here. How you make things look big. Okay. There we go. Who do you think made it better? Me or Karina Garcia? I think I did a better job because I made it a darker color. But I think she did a better job because she made it bigger. And I just did mine small. But it looks like it's big. Alright guys. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe. And shout outs to James ASF. Make sure you go subscribe to him. And I will see you all guys in the next video, which is the Flubber Soap Slime. Bye guys!